You can see it, right? Like, you can see that big ass yellow light right there. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Refills. Man, today has been a rough day. A lot got done today, and it's all coming out in tomorrow's video. So I just want to make a quick video. I've never done this before. It's like a preview, a prelude to tomorrow's video. Man, we got a lot done. So in tomorrow's video, we gave away the 98 Mercury Grand Marquis that we got from Copart. All right, that's one thing I didn't tell you guys because I already had somebody I was giving it to, someone that really deserved it and really was getting to need it. So we gave away the Grand Marquis. That's coming tomorrow. You guys have been asking about dealership updates. The updates are coming tomorrow. You guys have been asking for house updates for AAR at HQ. That's coming tomorrow. Also, the Marauder. The Marauder has been in service all day today. That car got a lot done to it today. I wanted to make sure that this car is going to last a long time. Guys, I threw everything, including the kitchen sink, at the Marauder. We're going to talk about that tomorrow too, as well as tires. And I'm probably forgetting something, but right here, we pulled the, I don't know, can you guys see? Can you see the garage? We got the Corvette out of the garage today, guys. It's been a long time coming. We haven't touched this car in weeks. So I decided to take it out on a drive. We drove this to AAR headquarters, aka the new dealership. And I decided, you know what? Let's find out what kind of gas mileage this bad boy can get. By the way, just so you guys know, all right, this is recorded right now. It is Thursday, February 20th at 9:05 p.m. So the video that you need to be watching out for, the one you don't want to miss, is coming out Friday, February 21st. Let's fire the Corvette up. I got something to show you guys. Oh, you hear that? Ooh, she's mean. She's mean. Wait. What the fuck? Is that the damn check engine light? Oh, hell no. Hell no. No, we're not doing this again. We're not doing this again. Man. Here I am trying to brag on the fact that in eco mode, we were able to get over 30 miles a gallon over the last 140 miles. 138 miles, 30.1 miles a gallon. That's a check engine light. You can see it, right? Like, you can see that big ass yellow light right there. That's a check engine light. Oh, here we go again. Oh, I'm gonna lose my shit. I'm gonna lose it, man. I'm gonna lose it with this car. I'm telling you, yeah, you better turn your lights off. Don't even think about looking at me again. You're done, man. You are done. Bake, stick a fork in that mofo. I am finished. I'm so finished with this car. Now, the truth is, because I don't want to deceive you guys, I already knew the check engine light was on. Okay, and I've already run the diagnostics on it, and that is coming in tomorrow's video, so you'll see exactly what's wrong with it. And I think you're going to find real interesting one of the codes that popped up, because I think that code may very well be exactly the same problem that happened to it the first time that's causing problems throughout the electrical system of this car. In other words, I think this car was effed from the beginning. I was nice. I waited for 2 months. You got to remember, guys, I bought this car in November, okay? Bought this car in November, and it sat at the dealership, broken down, non-running, not even able to be started and driven at all. Left me stranded on the side of the road. $60,000 I paid for that car. And it's been broken down longer than I've had it in my possession. Here we are at the end of February, and that car has got issues yet again. How would you feel if you spent 60 grand on your dream car only to have it breaking down the car's got 800 miles on it. 800 miles on it. And we are still having issues with it. I was nice the first time. I really was. I think it's time to see if the lemon law is something that we can use, something that we can use to get rid of this car. I'm done with it. I'm absolutely finished. This car has gone from a dream car and it's flipped into like a nightmare. I don't trust it at all. Zero. And in fact, it's funny, before we had any issues with it, I was telling somebody earlier, you know, this guy was telling me how beautiful of a car it was. And I was like, oh, it's a beautiful car. It is an amazing machine. It's phenomenal to drive. It truly is. But I don't trust it. And if you don't have trust in a relationship, you don't have a relationship worth holding on to. It's time to let that other person go, or car in this case. I don't trust it, man. The fact that this car was $60,000, let me tell you how much cash I've got of my own money in it. I've got about $3,000 in monthly payments that I paid on that car. The tags were $2,000. That's $5,000. The exhaust was $1,000. That's $6,000. The tires was $1,000, or tires were $1,000. That is $7,000 cash of my own money out of my pocket that I have put into this car, and it still ain't right. That's unacceptable. When you take into consideration, we bought a 2004 Mercury Marauder from Palm Bay, Florida for $6,700, and that was paid for. That's done. No more payments. See, with this car, there's still payments on top of the $7,000 I've already paid. There's still plenty of payments left on it. The Marauder's paid off. 2004, it's almost 20 years old with 100,000 miles. It made it all the way from Florida to Oklahoma without any mechanical issues. Not a single warning or check light ever came on. And you can't hold bad tires against the car any more than I would hold bad tires against the Corvette. Bad tires is not the fault of the vehicle. So when you really put that into perspective, when you really take a step back and you think about it, what would you rather have? A 20-year-old car that's still fun to drive, that you can really enjoy, that's paid for, and you paid $7,000 for it? Or a $60,000 car that you're going to be paying on for years to come that doesn't stop breaking down and it's brand new? And yeah, I know, Randy, it's got a warranty. Okay, guess what? I didn't tell you guys this. The Marauder has a warranty too. I got a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty included with the purchase of the Marauder. So the Marauder's got a warranty against mechanical failures as well. Engine, transmission, rear differential, drive shaft, cooling system, all of that stuff. $0 deductible for the Marauder. It was included. Well, it wasn't included. It was an extra $1,500, but I paid the extra $1,500 because I felt it was worth it. And it's transferable. So if I ever sell the Marauder, that warranty goes over for free to the next owner. The warranty on the Vette is great. If anything happens to it, I can send it back. Is it going to be in service another 2 months again? Because I'm about tired of this. Tired of paying out the rear end for a car that I don't get to use. So I'm done. I'm done. We'll talk about all that and more tomorrow. Like I said, don't miss tomorrow's video. Please, please, please. If you ever watched a video, or if you're ever going to watch a video, please watch tomorrow's video. There's a lot of stuff happening. We're going to go over a lot tomorrow, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. It's weird that I come out with another video today because we already came out with the Copart Walk Around Day, but I appreciate you watching this video. Hey, if you're excited about tomorrow's video, do me a favor, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. That'll let me know you guys are going to watch tomorrow's video. Drop your comments. Well, tell me what you think, man. A brand new Corvette, right? And Chevrolet's already reached out on social media. Same way they did last time, and it's BS. They don't care. Chevrolet doesn't care. They reach out publicly on social media to make it look like to all of you that they actually care. In reality, they don't. Publicly, it's like, oh, we're so sorry for your issues. Oh, we're going to do whatever we can to make it right. Then when you direct message them off of the public social media, then they're basically like, oh, by the way, if you talk to an attorney, we won't be helping you. So you threatening me? You threatening me? Are you threatening me? You dirty rat. No, not here. Anyway, I'm done playing games. I'm done being nice. I will be nice to the dealership tomorrow because the people down at the dealership, they didn't have nothing to do with it. This is between me and Chevrolet. Now, Chevrolet, if you happen to see this video, I'm here to tell you, man, I'm done, and you would be too. I don't care who you are, whether you're working at one of the factories and you're building these cars, or you're the damn CEO, you would not tolerate spending that kind of money on a car and having it broke down all the time, and you still got to pay for it, and you're stuck with it. Nah, I'm done. So at this point, yes, I'm going to find any way I can out from under this car. We're going to get rid of it, and I don't know what we're going to replace it with. Hell, maybe we'll just replace it with the Marauder. I don't know. Sad to see a dream turn into a nightmare like that, but do me a favor, like the video, subscribe here if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Certainly click that subscribe button because there's more drama to come, I guarantee it. I can guarantee you that this car is going to bring more drama. I can promise you that. Stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you all very soon in the next one. Someone told me I could find the Clintons here. I got a Corvette I need disappeared. Where in the hell are the Clintons when you need them?